Have you ever felt like something huge is about to happen, but you can't quite put your finger on it? You've probably felt an overwhelming sense of urgency, like time is slipping away faster than usual, or that something is stirring deep within you. It's as though reality itself is shifting, and every moment feels charged with an unknown intensity. If you've been experiencing this, trust me, you're not imagining it. What if I told you that the cosmos is preparing to unleash an unprecedented wave of energy, and the very fabric of your reality could be forever altered by what's about to unfold? The second moon, which has quietly circled our planet for the past 2 months, is nearing its final moments in our skies. And as it prepares to slip away, it's not just departing. It's leaving behind a surge of raw, untamed power, unlike anything we've felt before. This isn't just another celestial event. This is a cosmic climax that could send shockwaves through your soul. If you've been sensing something deeply stirring, something whispering to you in the quietest moments, or even waking up in the middle of the night for no apparent reason, the truth is, the universe is trying to tell you something. Are you ready to listen? The arrival of the second moon. A spiritual event like no other. The second moon's visit to Earth wasn't a random occurrence. It was a rare celestial event that carried with it a purpose, a message meant to resonate deeply within each of us. For centuries, ancient cultures have spoken of moons that appear to guide humanity during times of significant transformation. They've been called healers, protectors, and warning signs, cosmic bodies whose influence shifts the spiritual balance of the world. And now we find ourselves standing at the precipice of this once-in-a-lifetime event. The second moon has circled our world quietly, perhaps unnoticed by many, but its presence has been subtly but powerfully affecting us all. It has been laying the groundwork for something monumental, something that will shift your very perspective on life and your place within it. This is no ordinary farewell. As the second moon begins its final descent into the cosmic void, it's about to release a wave of energy that will ripple through the fabric of existence. But here's the catch. This cosmic surge isn't for the faint of heart. This moment is not just about watching an astronomical event. This is about feeling it, embracing it, and ultimately, allowing it to transform you. This energy is here to challenge you. It's an invitation to step into your true power, to confront everything you've been hiding from, to release the weight of the past, and finally embrace who you are meant to become. And speaking of transformation, there's something life-changing that's making waves right now on social media. Imagine if you could attract huge wealth effortlessly, starting today. Right now, a growing movement is happening. Millions of people have already tapped into this incredible knowledge, and it's altering lives at an astonishing rate. If you're ready to unlock a path to abundance, don't miss this limited time opportunity. Click the link in the comments below to discover the shocking wealth secrets revealed by a rogue NASA scientist. Now let's dive back into our cosmic exploration, because the journey of awakening is just beginning. A surge of cosmic power. Are you ready for what's coming? Imagine, for a moment, that you are standing on the edge of a great portal, one that is about to open, but only for a fleeting moment. The energy that is about to surge through the cosmos is like nothing you've ever experienced before. It is raw, unfiltered, and powerful. It will illuminate your deepest truths, but it will also expose everything you've been avoiding, the shadows lurking in your subconscious, the unspoken fears, the dreams left unfulfilled. This is your chance to confront everything that's been holding you back. Are you ready to step into the light of transformation? Or will you retreat into the darkness of complacency? As the second moon's energy peaks, it will shine a spotlight on all that is unresolved within you, whether you've consciously acknowledged it or not. The cosmic forces at play right now are amplifying everything within us. Every buried feeling, every unmet dream, every unresolved emotion. This is the time to release what no longer serves you. This is the moment to let go of the habits, beliefs, and patterns that have kept you trapped in old cycles. But here's the truth. The energy from this cosmic surge doesn't come without its challenges. It will break down your illusions. The truth will be revealed, And once it is, you can no longer hide from it. You will either rise, liberated, and transformed, or remain shackled by the weight of the past. This is your moment to choose. The symptoms of a spiritual awakening. Are you feeling it? Over the past few days, have you noticed that your physical and emotional state has been off? Maybe you found yourself waking up in the dead of night, heart pounding, mind racing, feeling an inexplicable restlessness you can't quite shake. Or perhaps strange sensations have started to surface. Brain zaps, ringing in your ears, even subtle vibrations in your body, as if you're tuning into frequencies beyond the ordinary. It might feel like your reality is shifting beneath your feet, like the very fabric of existence is becoming malleable. These aren't random occurrences or tricks of the mind. No, this is the cosmic shift making itself known in tangible, undeniable ways. You're not alone in feeling this. All around the world, people are reporting these same experiences, a subtle but growing sense of vertigo, an unsettling feeling that something beyond the visible is stirring, an awareness that the familiar is slipping and being replaced by something yet to fully reveal itself. These physical sensations are clues that the energy of the second moon is starting to recalibrate your being. Long before your conscious mind understands, your body senses it. It's already adapting to the heightened frequencies that are flooding our planet, realigning itself to match the new vibrational landscape. What's happening here is no accident. You're in the midst of a profound spiritual rewiring, an awakening that reaches beyond the physical and taps into the very core of your existence. And while it might feel chaotic, unsettling, and even a little overwhelming at times, this is the beginning of transformation. Your spirit, long prepared for this shift, is now stepping into a higher resonance. This energy is calling you to open your mind, expand your awareness, and become more than you ever thought possible. The universe is urging you forward. Each sensation, each moment of awareness is an invitation to lean into the change, to shed the layers that have weighed you down, and to embrace the truth of who you are becoming. So if you've been feeling out of sync or experiencing strange, unexplainable symptoms, know that this is your awakening. The universe is asking you to rise, to recognize these shifts as signs of growth, and to let go of any fear that stands in the way. This is your time to step into a new level of being, to become more aligned, more aware, and more attuned to the cosmic frequencies that are reshaping your reality. Time is warping. A cosmic threshold. Have you felt time stretching, as if the hours are slipping away faster than usual? Maybe you found yourself caught in what feels like a surreal loop, where minutes seem like hours and hours seem to vanish in the blink of an eye. You're not alone in this sensation. It's as though reality itself is bending, shifting, and warping in response to the intense surge of energy from the second moon. Some people are even reporting feeling as though they're existing in two realities at once, where what's happening in the present moment feels almost like a dream. Could we be on the verge of a dimensional shift? Is time itself beginning to unravel as we approach the final moments of this cosmic event? If you've experienced vivid, cinematic dreams full of symbolism, or if you've had moments of déjà vu so strong that you question the nature of reality itself, it's not just a coincidence. This is a sign that the boundaries between worlds are thinning, and we may be on the cusp of a spiritual and dimensional awakening. This is more than a celestial event. It is a cosmic invitation to evolve. The second moon's energy is the catalyst for this transition, pushing us toward a new level of consciousness. And now, as the moon prepares to leave, it is signaling the moment to embrace this transformation or risk missing out on the opportunity for profound spiritual growth. Embrace the change. Spiritual awakening is here. This is a moment of great spiritual significance. The second moon has been quietly working its magic in the background, preparing you for this exact moment. It has been carving spiritual pathways within you, nudging you toward a greater awareness of your true self. And now, as it prepares to depart, its energy will reach its peak, urging you to step into the light of transformation. But it won't be easy. Transformation never is. It's messy, It's challenging, and it often requires us to confront parts of ourselves that we'd rather keep hidden. But the opportunity that's before you is like nothing you've ever experienced. If you have the courage to act, if you're willing to lean into the waves of change, you could step into a new chapter of your spiritual journey, one that aligns you with your highest potential. The second moon is offering you a gift, a moment to make a choice. Will you cling to the old patterns, or will you release them and step boldly into the new? The cosmic aftershock. The energy lingers. Even once the second moon departs, its energy will not simply fade away. No, this energy will leave an imprint on the world, a ripple that continues to reverberate long after the moon has slipped from our skies. This is not a one-time event. The energy released will continue to echo throughout our lives, sparking long-term spiritual shifts and possibly even manifesting as new beginnings. As the second moon fades into the distance, it will leave behind a spiritual echo, a subtle yet powerful reminder of what was and what could be. These energetic aftershocks will carry the potential for growth, awakening, and new insights. The question is, how will you respond to this lingering energy? Will you let the echoes of this cosmic moment shape your spiritual path for years to come? Or will you let the opportunity slip away, unaware of the changes it could bring? This is it, the moment of truth. As the second moon prepares to leave our skies, it carries with it a final, climactic surge of energy, one that will resonate long after its departure. This is your chance, perhaps the only one of its kind, to step into the flow of cosmic transformation. The energy from this celestial event isn't just passing through. It's here to open doors within you, to reveal truths, and to realign you with your highest purpose. But the window is small. Will you allow this moment to awaken something deep within? Will you harness the power it offers to transcend limitations, awaken dormant potential, and elevate your spiritual path? Or will you let this extraordinary opportunity slip by, fading as quietly as the moon itself? The universe is calling you to action. It's inviting you to rise to a higher level of consciousness, to let go of the past, and to step forward with courage and clarity. This surge of energy is more than an event. It's a choice, a chance to renew, to expand, and to align with the flow of your soul's evolution. But remember, this transformation requires your willingness to change, to embrace the unknown, and to trust in the process that's unfolding. Take a moment, breathe deeply, and reflect on what this experience means to you. Are you ready to answer the call? Are you prepared to step into the light of transformation, to accept the challenges and the gifts that this cosmic awakening brings? If you feel even the slightest whisper within urging you forward, now is the time to listen and act. Stay aware of what unfolds in the coming days. Stay open to the insights, sensations, and synchronicities that appear. And most importantly, stay ready to embrace the person you are becoming. This journey is just beginning, and what lies ahead could reshape your understanding of life, purpose, and the universe itself. If this resonates with you, if you felt the stirrings of this shift, share your experiences in the comments. Your story could inspire others who are navigating this path. And don't forget to subscribe for deeper insights into the cosmic energies shaping our world and how you can harness their power. The adventure is far from over. The journey has just begun, and it's yours to take.